Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to cover address element, delete element, INS element. INS means underline element and on order list and order list. Okay, address element we can use to correctly type address with email address in a perfect format in like a one type of italic font and you can click on the email address and it will redirect to the another window, another mail window. Okay, so how to use it I will show you. And another element on order list and order list, there will be a lots of mental misunderstanding in typing on order list and order list. Okay, okay, let's see. This is my screen and I typing here my email address. Here I am using address element. Simply just concentrate. I'm typing the path, address. I type here my email address, kingharry at gmail.com. This address is not the correct address. I'm just simply typing. This email ID is not present right now. Okay, see this address element. The address element has a quite specific use to contain contact details for the author of the page. You can see path and the result, how it will reflect on our window. Okay, it can contain physical address, but it does not have okay any kind of extra, you know, and okay, I'm typing here. Simply concentrate. Here I'm typing that here we are learning address element. Simply I'm typing here. How it will appear on our browser window under address abbreviation. Okay, I'm refreshing my page and you can see kingharry at gmail.com. Okay, and here we are learning address element. You can see in italic font and it looks a little bit different from other font. Okay, and okay, I'm changing and typing a correct address so that you can understand. 702. Let me type something normal which is not present in the world. Okay. uh, Third street and okay, Miss, Michigan Road, California, USA. I'm typing simply. This is not the correct address. Simply I'm typing to show my audience how it will present. Okay, Control S. Now I'm refreshing my page. Here you can see 702 Michigan Road, California, USA. This is how you can type your address in HTML. Okay, if I'm clicking on my email ID, it will redirect because this is not the correct ID, so that this error you can see. Okay, this is the address element. Okay, and now another element, delete and INS, that how to remove any particular word from your paragraph. So delete command is very useful. Here I am showing you. Simply I am typing normal paragraph uh, here I am going to teach you uh, delete element and underline means ins element. Simply I am typing that how it will reflect on our window, browser window. Okay, I am deleting this going word. Okay, so before going word I am typing del command. So I am simply typing del command. You can see here you can see HTML path of delete ins and how it will appear on our browser window. You can see the result. It was best. Okay, best ins and worst del command. Here you can see this is simple. S and delete, this both command are same. You can use any one of them. So right now I am typing in my Visual Studio Code. Okay, here I am going to delete going word. I am closing delete command. Now Control S and I'm refreshing my page. Here you can see going word is deleted from our paragraph. Now I am underlining the word teach. Okay, before this word I am putting ins, the closing command ins, and after teach word I closing ins slash ins. Okay, Control S and refreshing page. Here you can see underline teach command. Sorry, teach word is underlined. Okay, ins command I am using here, and delete command I used to delete going word. Okay, so this is very simple. Here I used address, delete and ins command. Now I am going to use on order list and order list. Okay, there are so many confusion. Okay, I am showing you here s, delete and s, these both are the same command. With this element, okay, I am showing you underline word now will delete it from our paragraph. Okay, I am refreshing. You can see underline is deleted from our sentence, from paragraph. Underline and going word is deleted and teach word is underlined by using ins command. So here delete and s, these both element are same to delete any kind of particular word which you don't want to show up on your browser window, and ins command to underline any kind of word. And here I'm going to use on order list and order list. You having a lot of confusion that on order list simply looks like you type ul, then after you type sentence, then close the ul, then below that sentence you type list, then word, then list, closing the list. This is not the correct path. Okay, I am typing here the wrong path. So many mistakes in starting level will be created because of confusion. I am typing here the wrong path. order list, this is an order list. Okay, now below that sentence I am typing list, li, simply I am typing list number 1, list number 2. This is the wrong path I am typing, remember that this is wrong path I am typing here, because law of confusion, someone may be typed like this, order element, this is an order list, then close order element, below that typing list command. This is not the correct path. This is very simple, but we need to simply remember this one. Nothing. I'm refreshing, you will see how it appearing. List number 1 2 3. This 1 2 3 I typed. Okay, don't think that this is order list automatically comes. Okay, this 1 2 3 I typed. Don't think that this come under the order list. Our order list always showing a full stop, dot dot dot. Okay, this is not the correct path which I type here. Okay, I am removing number 1 2 3, simply I am putting list, otherwise you will think this is order list and how it will come under unordered list. Okay, this is unordered list. I am typing here OL and this will showing unordered list. You can see OL, this is an order list. This is the wrong path I am typing here. Okay, I am typing here unordered list. This both will appear same on the browser window. Simply I am typing this another wrong path, because there would be a lot of confusion in mind that this is the correct path, how this will showing incorrectly in our web page, because this is not the correct path I am typing. On order list you type your sentence, then below that you are providing your list. This all will automatically comes under unordered list. Okay, I am refreshing, you can see the same, both same, order list and unordered list both same, because this is not the correct path which I type here. Now I am showing you the correct path. Okay, because there is, I am telling you again and again, there is a lot of confusion in mind. Type OL, type sentence, then below that putting list. This is not the correct one. Here I am showing you the correct path of order list and unordered list. Okay, here you can see order list, you can see OL, then inside OL order list you have to type list, then you can put your word, sentence, whatever you want to type. You just have to open and close, and under that element you have to type under the list element. Okay, now I am typing the correct path, order list OL. Now in this I am typing li, means list. Now I can put any kind of word and sentence which you want to present as a listed items, that this one, this one, this one. In order list means 1 2 3 4 like that. Order list means 1 2 3 4 like numerical number, that we call as an order list. Simply I am typing this is order list. Second I am typing, oops, sorry, uh, three list I'm typing here. This is order list, and another one I'm typing. You will see in 1 2 3 format. Order list you will see in 1 2 3 format. Okay, close the list and Control S, and let me refresh the page. This is order list. Okay, 1 2 3. You will see the correct path. 1 2 3 automatically comes because of order list element. Okay, and now I am typing unordered list element. It will reflect as a dot list. Full stop, full stop, full stop. No 1 2 3 format, only in full stop format. You will see unordered list. Simply I am typing same as above. Same as above means order list and unordered list. Okay, 3 time I will type, or 2 time. Okay, this is unordered list. This is second unordered list, and the third one I'm typing, sorry, list. This is unordered list. Control S. Okay, I need to close list tab, and okay, Control S. You will see in dot format. Refreshing, you can see unordered list in full stop dot format, and order list in 1 2 3 4 5 in numerical format. Okay, so here I cover address element, delete element, ins element means underline, and also s element for to delete any particular word. Delete and s is same element. Okay, then misunderstanding of order list and unordered list, which I type in wrong format. You can see the result of wrong format. If you type on order list in wrong format, it will automatically reflect in unordered list. Okay, so this is for the day, and thanks for watching my video, and many videos I will upload, like for Photoshop, Illustrator, and HTML, CSS, that all things. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.